Morning, guys. July 12th, 2024. This one here, I got a call from a lady I've worked for in the past. She's got a couple of AC systems. The older one was tripping the breaker. She had an electrician come and change the breaker, but it's not that. It's something to do inside the unit. And she's hopefully I could get the thing fixed, she says. So I asked her if anybody, I don't think anybody opened up the condenser to see what's going on. Maybe it's a burnt wire. Sometimes when it trips the breaker like that, it's a burnt wire. Sometimes it's the compressor's junk, you know. We'll go see if we can figure out why. She might need a new system. At least it's on the first floor. It's not going to be a hot replacement, so. Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Oh, yeah, another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Yeah. She's hoping to get another year out of it, she said. She said it's the real old one. She had another one replaced. And, this is the real old one. I was just in this complex yesterday working on one that needs a replacement. It's a Laker. It's probably an old carrier unit, first floor, so it's probably a 3-tonner or something. See if we can figure out what's going on with it. Maybe it's something simple, hopefully. She wants to see if we can put a Band-Aid on it and get her by for now. She wants a Band-Aid, Miss Molly. She wants to put a Band-Aid on there. There's a little 3-tonner. It's not working. I'm gonna take it apart and see. Oh, look at that. It's got a scroll compressor in there. Hopefully there's something fried here. Hopefully there's something I can see that's fried chicken. There's a 3-tonner. Breaker's off. No power to it. It's a fan spinning all crazy. It's got a little board on it, a circuit board. No, it's got a delay on the contactor. It's a direct short somewhere. See what we got for ohms here. Power's off, little ground. We have an Olympic capacitor. It should be 35.5. It's only like 5 and 5, so it's not shorted. We're gonna try a different capacitor, and I don't see anything direct short, so we'll try another capacitor and try that out. See if it runs. Will it run? Will it run? run. Yellow goes to the common, the 4-pole. Yellow goes to the 4-pole common. This other yellow here goes to the 4-pole. The black that goes to the black fan. And I got the brown. Goes to brown here. Brown goes to 2-pole. This other blue is the compressor. I'm saying the breaker keeps tripping, so I don't know. I don't have my little tester with me to test the compressor. Wish I did, but I don't have it. We'll try that out. Will it run? Will it run? We'll turn the breaker on and we'll try it and see what happens. So we got the yellow, brown, everything's hooked up. See if we see any sparks. Well, it just been the capacitor was weak, you know, and it was doing a main drain on it. Capacitor's got a little wobble to it. Let's see what we got there for microfarads. It was common. And the compressor is 15. See it? Should be 35. Well, it might have been. That might have been what our problem was. And this fan part was 5. Well, that might be what the problem is. Drawing too high a amperage, not starting properly, getting hot, tripping the breaker. Running. Nice and warm coming out of here. Nice warm air coming out. She's all nice and sweaty, cold and sweaty. That's fine.
crusty, mama.
The crusty one. Okay, she needs a new system. I talked to her. It's a Bryant 80 plus gas furnace. It's a 3-ton. $16, 17-inch wide furnace. We got height on the top for another coil. We got going into a B vent right there. The B vent right there. It's 4-inch. Got a pump, got a return, got a filter right there. I talked to her. She said it runs for a half an hour and then trips the breaker. So she might need a new system. Our line set is good. We could reuse that. It's all soft. It's going right outside. No problem. Okay. In case if she calls again, I told her and she needs a new system. I know what I need. Pump there. Okay. We've got access right out here. Right in right from here.